Hello friends, so today I am visiting the place which is Situ Gunung. It's a mountain and you can see the map over here. So we need to go all the area, border lines on over here. So I'm going to start from the start point and let's go and explore. Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. And now I have come to a place which is a mountain area, and the place name is Situ Gunung. So here basically is a mountain, lake and a bridge. So these are the three main spot point. So this is the way to go to the bridge and lake. So let's go and explore. So this is the way to Situ Gunung. You can see it's a mountain and there is a small pathway to go on the top, not on the top, but yeah, just to go upwards where is there is a bridge. So we'll go and see the bridge, the forest. So you can see the natural beauty, the forest, the trees, sky blue. This is the welcome drink in Situ Gunung. All the people who buy the ticket get this. This is the way to Suspension Bridge. We are going towards the Suspension Bridge. So go and see Suspension Bridge. Actually, it's not a suspension bridge. It's just a pathway to go towards the Suspension Bridge. So don't think that the bridge what I'm showing is a suspension bridge. It's just a pathway to go. So we reach at the Suspension Bridge. So here is the entrance. So you can see we need to scan our QR code to get the entry, and for sure there is a limitation to go inside the number of people. And let's go and see from the bridge. So here you can see this is the Situ Gunung bridge over here. This is the bridge. You can see the view, the forest view. Sky is blue. Here we go in the bridge. Mid of the bridge you can see mountain, bridge. Top over there you can see the mountains, sky, clouds. Here it's good. So this is the bridge, Situ Gunung. Guys, you can see the view of Suspension Bridge. I am in the center. So you can see the bridge is not stable. It's moving zigzag. And you can see this beautiful scenery over here. The mountain, the valley kind of forest. That's so beautiful place. After the bridge, we saw the bridge. Now I am going to the lake side, and here there is a camping site. You can see there are lots of camp made over here. So let's go and see the lake. The bridge, sorry we did not go to lake, but we came to see the waterfall. So you can see here the waterfall. So heavy waterfall is it, and the weather over here is so chilled, like temperature is so chilled, like -2 degree temperature. You can see the waterfall and you can see the pressure of water. It's so heavy. So this is the place where there is a lake. So in Situ Gunung there was 3 places. One was bridge, second was waterfall, and third is this lake. So you can see this lake is in the mid of the mountain. So each side there is a mountain and the lake is in the between. So you can see this place is so cool, so beautiful, so silent. People having their tents, personal tent also for stay night here. It's really so beautiful. And also in the lake there is a facilities for boating, self boating or by the sailor also. So this is the lake, you can see from the closest. It's so beautiful. People are sailing in the water and everywhere there is a mountain. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and help support for my channel. Thank you.